Okay, so welcome members. Let us see how do we handle this question, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are going to see now how do you handle when we have twice cases, more cases, less cases, and then thrice cases. Whenever you have twice, it means that we are multiplying 2 times. Whenever I have thrice, it means we multiply 3 times, as you can see. So, in a class of 30 students, so the class of 30 students, it was found out that the number of students eating the portion, so we have those who are eating portion, is twice the number of students who eat millet only. 10 neither eat millet, no portion, and 4 eat both. So meaning that in our class we have 32 students. We have those who eat portion and millet only. Okay, can you understand? The number of students eating the portion only, you amend the word only, is twice the number of students who eat millet only. We are dealing with only cases. So only, we have this or this. Now, you get what they are referring at. You start to get the number of students who are eating the portion only. You should be knowing the number of students who are eating millet only. So that if the ones who are eating millet only are X, it means that those who are eating portion are going to be twice X according to the question. So let us see. Eating portion only is twice the number of students who are eating millet only. It means that you need to know those who are eating the millet only so that you can then get those who are eating portion only. So if these who are eating millet only are X, it means that those number of students who are eating portion only is twice those who are eating millet only. So if these are X, then these are going to be 2X. Okay. 10 eat neither 10. So this one's not eat any of the 2. And then 4 eat both. So those who are eating both are 4. Represent the information in the Venn diagram. I finished that. This is part A. Then part B. Find the number of students who eat only at most one type of food, at least one type of food. So if we know that if we have this now, when I add all these ones, I should get 32. So what do we do? It means that since our universal set is 32, it means if I get 2x plus 4 plus x, then plus the 10, I should get 32. I'm not subtracting anything because these are only cases, only. So here are only members here and here. If they are saying those who are eating here, then I would subtract here, but these are saying only. So these are x and these are 20. 2x. So when we add, instead here we shall be getting 3x plus 14 equaling to 32. When I take this side, it will be 32 minus 14. Understand this one will be giving me 3x, will be giving me 18. And see, to get this now, I divide through by 3. So my x will be 6 students. So, if that is giving me now 6 students, it means I'm going to come and redraw the diagram. So, if I redraw the diagram here, for the 2, I have x, which is 6. I have these ones as 4. So, these are going to be now 12. And these are 10. You see, when we add all, this is 10, we should get 32. The reverse, which is 32. Then we start answering the questions. At most one type of, now at most means the greatest or the biggest, then up to 0. Then at least means from that up to the highest. So at most 2, at most 1, meaning at most 1, so part B, momentum 2, at, find the number of students, the number at most, one type, Meaning that if they are dealing with at most, we can be having those who are eating 1 and those who are eating 0 type. So, mean that now our number here of at most 1 type is going to be those who are eating 1, these are eating only, these are eating only portion, and these are eating only meat. So the 12 plus those who are eating only meat, which are 6, then plus those who are eating 0 of the 2, which are 10. And the answer you get here is 18 plus 10, which is 28 students. Then, Roman numero 3, only 1, A. Okay, at most, Roman numero 2, then Roman numero 3, at least 1 type. So at least 1 type, it means the number they eat at least 1 or 2. So at least 1 type is going to give me at least 1 type. I'll be having those are eating 1 or 2. So this means 1 or 2. So you have these ones who are eating 1 only. So these are eating 1 type, which is portion, and these are eating 1, which is minute, and those are eating 2, they are 4. And this will give you 22 students. So if they say at least, it means the at least 1, the smallest is 1. When they say at most 1, it means that the biggest is 1. So there can be those are eating only 1 or those are eating 0. But at least 1 or 2, because we have 2 types of foods here. Then we say those who eat only, those who eat only, I think eat only 1 type. Okay, and only 1 type. So those who are eating only 1 type, our B, Roman number 1, only 1 number, only 1 is going to be the 12, and plus 6, which is going to be 18 students there. Okay, these are eating only 1 type. Okay, when you come to this, in a group of 24 men found, it was discovered that the number of men who like movies only, whenever you hear the word only, is twice the number of those who like both. And those who like football only, you see football only, is thrice now the number of those who like movies only. If 6 don't like any of the 2, this is of the 2, find number steps. So 1, football only and movies. So you start at what they are finding at. So movies only, these are the ones who are liking movies, these are the ones who are liking football. So those who, the number movies only, it was discovered that the number of men who like movies only is twice. Meaning that they are referring is twice the number of those who like both. So if we know these ones who are liking both, we can get now those who are liking only movies. So always get what they are referring at. So meaning to get those who like movies only, we need to know first those who like both. So if these ones are Y, it means that these ones who are liking movies are 2Y. Because they are twice those who like both. And those who like football only is thrice the number of those who like movies only. So if these ones like movies only, these ones are going to be 3 times this one. So this will be 3 into 2Y. Because these ones, they are doing that. Those who like football only is thrice. Football only thrice the number of those who like movies only. That's this. And so the question is done almost. 6 don't like any. So these are 6. Find the number of students who watch football only. So now it means that the sum here total was 24. So meaning when I add this, and this, I should get this. So say that this one is going to give me 6y. So 24. So this is going to give me 2. This is 3. And then this will be 9y. Okay. 9y plus 6 equal to 24. When I take this side, this when I subtract here 16. So that here, my 9y will be 18. And my y will be 2 men. So meaning that though if I really draw this one here, I'll be having such a case. So these ones are 2. These ones now 2 times this you get 4. And now 6 times this you get 12. And then these are 6. And then the total should be 24. Okay, let us now. The question, what football only? So the number of men who watch football only, this is part F. Football only, I think. Football only, these are those who are watching football only. And they are 12. Then B, number movies. Movies. They are not putting the word only. So they are just wanting the number who are watching only movies. They are not putting the word only. Meaning that those who are watching movies are 4 plus these 2 who are watching movies but also watch football. So be careful the word only. So meaning that this will be 4 plus 2, which will be 6 men. These are men. So that's why we handle those 2 questions. Wait for more. I wish you the best.